Let me tell you first, to repair this Rotimakker, tools must be used. If you have this kind of electric drill at home, it will be more convenient. If there is no such electric screwdriver, it is okay to have this manual one. Then when the machine fails, the first thing we did was put this flour container, take it out and take all three. Then there is the following. We take out this base and take out this container. When the screen shows motor pan back error, it's the push rod of the machine. When recycling or entering, there was a failure. We open the hatch first, check the gear on this roller here. Is this gear on the track? If not, gently break it with screws or directly by hand. Make this gear directly above the track. Can slide normally, it's okay. If the method just now doesn't work, we need to put this top cover opens, and the back cover at the back opens. If you open it, there's a screw here. Here's a screw. First, loosen these two screws. After releasing, then here. Back cover, there are 4 screws here. Also loosen these 4 screws first. When the screw is loosened, we can lift this upper cover. After lifting it, you can use a little force here. I took it out. Then there's 123 on the back and there's a screw here. You cannot take it out after this is loosened. 56, all 6 screws are loosened. After releasing, there are 5 more screws here at the bottom. 12,345. Loosen all 5 screws. Then you can take out this back cover. After opening the back cover, there are 2 wires connecting the 2 fans here. Then these 2 wires are universal, so we just unplug it. After unplugging, you can remove this back cover. This is the case after opening it, and here we have 2 gears. These 2 gears include this motor. It's all about controlling the putter problem inside this one. So when we turn this gear, when rotating down, this will be pushed out. Is this the problem with this roller? I'll put the problem back together now. Okay, push it here. Normally, when this motor handbag error is displayed, this is the one. Was it blocked by this when returning it? It's like saying the original words. It should be like this and can be returned directly, because this iron plate is blocking this. So it can't be returned. So what we're going to do is put this board, push in a little, and then rotate this. Ensure that this putter can be recycled smoothly. Solve this problem. After pushing it, we will put this. The putter still has to reset it. Reset to the bottom. There's an iron plate in the bottom here. Is this iron sheet in contact? Reset to the bottom. Put the back cover when you're done. Put it on like this normally. Connect the 2 wires casually. Pay attention to the issue of length. It is smoother after connecting. After connecting, you can directly cover the plate. The remaining 3 sides. How to remove the cover plate is the base. Bottom here. There are these inlaid with the white edge. These are all to be loosened. After releasing, the entire cover can be removed. After the screws are loosened, we can take the whole cover out. You can take it out. This is a fan, it doesn't matter. After taking it out, we can put it aside. This one is connected to the motor of the roller. If you can't handle these 2 steps just now, the motor is broken. If the motor is broken, we need to replace this motor. If you change it, there is a line here. There's a wire. To put this line, use a vise to straighten it first. Take it out after straightening. After taking it out, use a screwdriver to pry it out. There are 2 screws inside after prying. Loosen the 2 screws and this can be removed. After taking it off, then put this thread. Pull it out. Replace with a new motor. Just restore it. Unplug the latch first. Break the gears. Twist the 2 screws. Unplug the wire. Screw the screws back in. Then put the gears back in. Plane out. There is a plane here. Then put the latch back on.